according to given information, this is the line x plus y equal to 1. This is making 30-degree angle with x axis, and this is the reflected ray. This is the point Q. This is the point A. In the previous way, I had done in this way that when QA is produced backward, it seems to be coming from image of origin in this line. Image of this point in this line, say it is P. Then if OA is produced, it will be surely passing through the point P. To find the coordinate of this point, let this point be lambda 0. Let this point be alpha beta. I will find the value of alpha beta in terms of lambda. And once alpha and beta are known to me in terms of lambda, I will be using this concept that slope of this line is tan 30. Therefore, to find the value of alpha beta in terms of lambda, because this is the image of this point with respect to this line, using the formula of image, if this is the line AX plus and this is the point X1, suppose this is the point X2Y2 and X2Y2 is image of the point X1A1, then you must be knowing the formula is X2 minus X1 upon A, Y2 minus Y1 upon B, minus 2 into A X1 plus B Y1 plus C upon A square plus B square. And this formula I am going to use because I want alpha beta in terms of lambda. I will say alpha minus lambda upon 1 using this line is equal to beta minus 0 upon 1 is equal to minus 2 into lambda plus 0 minus 1 upon 1 square plus 1 square. Here this is taken as x1y1, this is taken as x2y2 because I want alpha beta in terms of lambda. That is why I have taken this as x1y1 and that as x2y2. That is the value of alpha becomes lambda minus lambda plus 1 and beta equal to minus lambda plus 1. That is alpha is 1 and beta is 1 minus lambda. Using this value of alpha and beta, I know that slope of this line is tan 30, that is beta minus 0 upon alpha minus 0 is 1 by root 3, which means 1 minus lambda upon 1 is equal to 1 by root 3. That is lambda is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3.